Speaking English practice course. Please subscribe my channel. Today's lesson. I will teach you a good lesson.
I will teach you a good lesson.
I will make you flat by beating.
I will make you flat by beating.
I will dip you into dirty water.
I will dip you into dirty water.
I will slap off your teeth.
I will slap off your teeth. Don't cross your limit.
Don't cross your limit.
What a big devil.
What a big devil.
I will kick you out from here.
I will kick you out from here.
Mind your language.
Mind your language.
Don't show your temper to me.
Don't show your temper to me.
Keep your finger down.
Keep your finger down. Keep your eyes down.
Keep your eyes down.
Keep your voice down. Keep your voice down. You Hippocrates.
You Hippocrates.
Don't grow so far.
Don't grow so far.
Do you think that I am a fool?
Do you think that I am a fool?
Hold your tongue.
Hold your tongue.
Have you gone mad?
Have you gone mad?
You scoundrel.
You scoundrel. I will see you my foot.